In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see monthly sales in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which settings to use so you can view your sales month by month and quickly spot trends. Start from your Xero dashboard. From the main navigation, open the reporting area. This is your hub for all financial insights. Once you're there, choose all reports to see the full library. We're going to use a built-in report that neatly summarizes revenue by period. Open the profit and loss report. This is where your sales figures live under the revenue section, often labeled as sales or income depending on your chart of accounts. The profit and loss is perfect for a monthly view because it can show side-by-side columns for different months, making comparisons fast and visual. At the top of the report, set your date range. Pick the period you want to analyze. If you're looking at recent performance, selecting the current month or a specific month works well. You can also choose a custom range if you have particular start and end dates in mind. Getting this right ensures the report focuses on the exact window you care about. Next, look for the Compare With option. Choose how many prior months you want to see alongside your selected period: 1, 2, 3, or 4 months. Each choice adds another monthly column. For example, selecting 3 months will place your chosen month next to the previous 3 months, so you can read across and see whether sales are rising, steady, or dipping. After you've set the date and the comparison period, click Update. Xero refreshes the report with your new settings. Now, scan the revenue or sales lines. Each column represents a month, and the numbers in those columns are the totals for that month. If your revenue is split into multiple accounts, you'll see those broken out with a subtotal that gives you your total sales for the month. A few tips to read the results clearly. Make sure your invoices are dated in the correct month because the report groups revenue by those dates. Draft or unapproved invoices won't be included, so only finalized activity appears. If anything looks off, revisit the date range and comparison selection to confirm you're viewing the intended months. That's all there is to it. Reporting, all reports, profit and loss, set the date range, choose how many months to compare with, then update. With this simple workflow, you can monitor month-over-month sales at a glance and make confident, timely decisions for your business.